Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mo. In today's video, I'll be talking about Africa Day, what it is and why it's celebrated. Africa Day is the anniversary of the creation of the Organization of African Unity. This was on the 25th of May in 1963. First of all, what is the Organization of African Unity? The Organization of African Unity was an intergovernmental organization established on the 25th of May 1963 in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, with 32 signatory governments. One of the main heads for OAU's establishment was Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, the first president of Ghana after its independence from Britain in 1957. It was disbanded on the 9th of July 2002 by its last chairman, South African President Thabo Mbeki, and replaced by the African Union. Some of the key aims of the OAU were to encourage political and economic integration among member states and to eradicate colonialism and neo-colonialism from the African continent. The African Union had no means to enforce its laws because it had no armed forces. And also the Union was not interested in the internal affairs of member nations. This prompted critics to claim the OAU as a forum only for discussion and no action. Recognizing this, the OAU in September of 1999 issued the declaration calling for a new body to take its place. On the 9th of July 2002, the African Union was created. The African Union continues to uphold many of the founding principles of the OAU. Africa Day is an opportunity for Africans to remember that on the 25th of May 1963, 32 countries signed the Charter for the Organization of African Unity, which later evolved into the African Union. Africa Day is also an opportunity to reflect on the progress made by the African Union in achieving its goals, especially with regard to protecting the human rights and freedom of Africans. That's what Africa Day is, why it's celebrated and what it's about. I hope you learned something new today. If you're not subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button to be notified when I drop videos like this. And if you're already subscribed, thank you for subscribing. And let me know in the comments, what does Africa Day actually mean to you as an African? And if you're not an African, what does it still mean to you as a non-African? Alright then, so that'll be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Thanks.